AI and ML software development services company. ONPASSIVE, a leading AI development company, secures your business's sensitive and regulated data with its AI-driven frameworks that encrypt your data and applications with utmost security. ONPASSIVE is a robust AI and ML solutions provider specializing in AI-powered SaaS products and applications as a one-stop automation solution. ONPASSIVE is a reliable business automation partner for your digital transformation. Our solutions are flexible, built on modern and secure AI platforms that can be used to deploy on premises. We design, architect, and help organizations that thrive on their data by incorporating scalability and by building data-backed smart decision-making tools based on cutting-edge AI and ML algorithms. ONPASSIVE is the revolutionary IT development company that empowers businesses to capture new revenue streams and strategic insights through total business automation. We are the future of technology. ONPASSIVE AI software product development company brings a competitive advantage, innovation, and fresh perspectives to business and technology challenges. We accelerate innovation and transform businesses from strategy to designing, implementation, and management, simplifying the business needs with AI solutions. ONPASSIVE's product innovation strategies allow reinventing business models to help our customers achieve better operational efficiency and client experience. We enable the total value of game-changing AI and machine learning development solutions that are easy to use, adapt, and scale. End-to-end AI solutions. We are the best platform for getting the right products and solutions to streamline your business and provide the most excellent chance of implementing the right IT solutions for your business. Stay current with all of our activities and events. Future-driven company ONPASSIVE hosted a webinar on 26th of March 2020. It's a platform where our founders and CEO discussed how to help humanity with excellent business solutions. We are an AI technology company that builds fully autonomous SaaS products using the latest AI software technologies for our global customer base. The customers who aim to accelerate innovation and transform their businesses from strategy to designing, implementing, and managing get their subscription to our software products through the SaaS business model.